I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Come here. We just don't get it. Okay. Put the claws. Mother. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Come on. What do I do to you guys? What do I do to deserve this? It's on the screen. It's on the screen. I'll show you guys. It's on the screen. Not subscribed. 86% of you guys are not subscribed. What am I doing wrong? This is some bull. I can't even wrap this around my head. Put myself out of the misery. 86% of you guys are not subscribed, and to subscribe is free, so go subscribe. Guys, subscribe. It's completely free. It helps me out a ton. It shows me that you guys actually like what I'm putting out there for you guys, and I'm working my butt off to get this content out to you guys. Ouch, she scratched me hard. We're gonna start giving you guys videos on Saturdays, but I need you guys to hit that subscribe button. If you guys don't hit that subscribe button, that just tells me that I'm just making some bunk ass videos. 1 second, please. And then subscribe. We got the 13.4%. So thank you to you guys who are subscribed and who are helping me. Thank you to you guys who are subscribed. It is helping me out a ton. I love you all so much, even for those who aren't subscribed, who are still coming back to watch the channel though. But come on, just subscribe. Just hit the button. Just hit the button. It's free. Like you're not paying anything. So just subscribe, please. Please. Just subscribe. I think I'm having like an allergic reaction to her scratches, but subscribe, hit that like button. Welcome back to the videos for today. Comment down below. More importantly, let me know what you guys think of how the bug's gonna turn out this next season. As you guys can see by the title of this video, we are rebuilding it again. Yes, my ADHD has hit me in the head once more, and we cannot leave the car alone. As you guys can tell by the back, it is completely torn apart. Looks like it's about to go to pick and pull or something. Make sure to go subscribe, guys, please. I would very much appreciate it. And also if you smash that like button. So without that being said, let's get into today's video. I'm starting to disassemble the Bugeye for like the next process, but we're gonna go ahead. I just opened the trunk because I got to take the rear bumper off, so we're gonna take the rear bumper off, but I don't remember honestly how it's still on there, so I don't know. Here we go. We're gonna try and figure it out. I'm just gonna set you guys up on the time lapse.
Next day.
I hate shipment. It's so annoying.
That shit's fun.
Alright, you ready? Oh. Dude, this hurts so much.
You're gonna pull it off in one pull, dude.
That shit's on there, bro. Car's a little messy. Messy. This hurts. It hurts my soul. No, you messed up. No, it's not gonna go on, clean off. That's actually sick. We can hang this up.
Shit looks like ass. Where's the hammer?
Not with a hammer. Try.
Pull it off?
Yeah, try.
Dude, you're not gonna be able to get that off.
It's kind of like interesting now seeing this. Now that it's off, seeing actually what work he did.
Yeah, look, you have that cut right there too. That's where you're hitting mainly.
Oh shit! I didn't even notice that. Huh?
And right there, your tire's literally
Dragging on that. Yeah. So we're gonna have to cut more into here.
You can't pull that off, by the way, without a hammer.
And then this right here. Well, what did we learn from this, Kel? Don't what?
Don't take it to shitty people.
Don't flirt your car.
Well, that too. But...
Alright, I think we're gonna go ahead and try and figure this out, and then little by little, we'll just keep updating you guys. I don't know if we'll cut into it today. Probably not.
I'm not cutting into this shit today.
Yeah, so, I mean, I guess we'll just take it off. Alright, good luck. Kelly.
What the fuck?
Can you see the camera?
Where?
Right here.
No.
POV.
Sir, no filming in the store, please.
I don't give a fuck.
No filming in the store.
Alright, so we went to Home Depot. We got some scuff pads. Right now I'm gonna try and like, what's it called? Cut off the rest of the flare right here. Just like all of this right here. I have extra flares for like the rear. So before we ever like get to the point where we can mold the next flare on, we're gonna try and get it so that way it sits perfect and we're not rubbing when we're aired out, because I want to drive this car a little bit more aired out this season. So, and then a couple of more things, like we ran into this, so this is gonna have to be cut, and then somehow I'm gonna have to mount the bumper like a reverse. I don't know, I don't want like a quick release. I've seen a lot of them done. I'll post a picture up on the screen right now where it's like they have the little quick release, but I don't know, I'm not a big fan of that. So I'm gonna try and like get it hidden or somehow make like an inside bracket. We're just gonna have to figure it out, but yeah, we're gonna try and get the rest of this flare off. I have to cut so much more into this car, guys. It's just so it can sit to like a good point. Shout out to Nick. Here's his Instagram. He has a lot of pictures done. His blob eye's done beautifully. It's super sick. He just got it resprayed. So if he ever sees this, I love your car, man. I enjoyed it a lot. But yeah, right now we're gonna sit down and try and cut into it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I forgot the car's been sitting, so we have to get it to air up so that way we don't cut into anything else we don't want to right now. So we're gonna air it up because this is what it's at. I mean, the tires are a little munked right here, but oh well, I just don't want to cut into a tire and then have that pop, so we're just gonna air the car. We're just waiting for that to happen right now. Alright, we got the car aired up. I'm gonna give like myself an outline of where I need to cut so this fiberglass can come off, and then so we can put the other flare up. Probably won't do that in today's video. We'll see how far we get, or if I need to do like another day where we just sit down and do that. But I'm gonna see how far I can get getting this fiberglass off, and then yeah, we'll just throw you guys up on the time lapse so you guys can see. Alright, so this is how far I've got. I'm trying to find where like bare metal is at, so that way I know where to cut. Just because I don't want to go too far and start cutting before I actually have to do. But like this piece right here has to go no matter what. So I think we're gonna like start from like down here when we actually cut into it, and then go all the way up. So that way it's like a one big crescent shape instead of just like a squiggly line going up and down. But yeah, that's where we're at. Just trying to take it slowly this time.
You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hardly know me.
Alright, it looks bad right now, but I mean, what looks good when you're like working on it, right? So just bear with me. But I'm gonna go ahead and air out. I'm gonna see how much I can get, and then we're gonna see how much we need to take off of this. Hopefully not a lot, so that way I can still use this, because those this is for your brackets for your rear bumper. So hopefully we don't need. Well, obviously you need them to have the bumper on, but we'll probably make like some sort of other bracket over here or something. We'll just relocate it, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and air it out and see how much we can get now.
Feel the need to go and waste it all. I try to numb away the pain. I hope someone is watching me, watching me, baby, watching me.
All right, we have a little bit of elf. We're just missing this little piece up here if it'll focus. But it's just this corner piece, because that corner piece will pop my tire for sure. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to get that off, and then I'll just show you guys the end result, because we basically got it off. All right, so that's gonna conclude today. This isn't gonna conclude the video, obviously, but I'm proud of like how far we got. I haven't really touched this car, so, and I've been talking with Nick. So again, if you're watching this, dude, thank you so much for messaging me back. But yeah, that's gonna conclude today. We're just gonna jump to like the next time I work on this. We got that corner piece off. Oh, looks pretty good right there. I'm actually happy with how it came out. Now we might come up here and go down, so that way it matches right here, so that way this comes off. But we'll see what happens. I probably will take it off, but that looks really good. I just slowly took it up and then started curving a little. If you're doing this, don't curve too much, because then the blade's just gonna chop back at you. And then I just grabbed the blade and then just touched it up like that. So really happy with how that came out. So I cut it. Doesn't look like I did a whole lot, but I mean, it really wasn't. But see how I like starting to sit just like that? But if you can see, it kind of still sits a little off, but we might cut it right there. Is our next cut right here. So we did another cut. This time I left a little space and I didn't like go through all the way. So that way, if I do need to this time, I can just cut those slits and then they'll weld them up. But I left a little space. I'm gonna leave that right there, and then I'm gonna get the wheel mounted and see how far. Cause Nick left his a little, but I'm not sure. He wasn't too sure on the measurements. But we're gonna see if that looks good enough. See how it's like one oval now, which I think I'm pretty good there. I'm pretty happy with it. The only place I'm not too shabby with is right here. So right there, I'd like to go in and come down just a little bit more. But other than that, taking my time, and it's coming out nice.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see it.
I'm sorry for picking you up. Tell him to go subscribe.